This is the final part of the Oahe Downstream Trail. I start out a bit lost, get chased by a bee, and then end up finding the trail again. So I hope you enjoy this part of the video. It's quite possible the direction I wanted to go and the road that I wanted to go on is actually under those cattails. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, this is not even close. Gosh, bee! Woo! Okay. Go away. All right. Well, getting lost was fun. Again, I'm 2 for 2. I'm pretty sure that's the marina, but I'm just gonna, the actual trail I've already completed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and walk right back through the Bald Eagle Trail and get back to camp. So I literally had a bee in my bonnet, got lost, saw some amazing fruit vegetation. I think I'll end it here for the Oahe Downstream Recreation Area Trail. Okay, so I could have been wrong. I've re-entered the trail and I believe I'm on this top part now. I'm just a few steps in. So yeah, was definitely lost. Didn't need to be on that road, got chased by bees. Oh boy. This is only my second trail, so I hope I get better at interpreting these maps. Okay, my map does not show this. I don't remember going over that log. Oh. Yeah. I do remember that, I think. Pretty sure. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I need to get a mileage tracker. Oh. I just think that there's more to these trails than is actually on the map. Looks like we may be emerging again. So, yeah, because I'm filming the trails is why I'm concerned about the map and how long it is. If you're just looking for adventure, oh, you can explore out here, get lost like I do. I know I haven't walked through here because I'm blazing the trail of spider webs right now. I think I'm gonna look like a mummy when I get out of here. Yeah. And we're back to the beginning. Okay. Yeah, the map so does not have that loop on it. Okay. And that's it, back to the bridge. Cottonwood path. Yeah, beautiful. Archaeology in Oahe Downstream. Looks like arrowheads, different types. Wow. All right, with that, I think I will officially call it the Oahe Trail. That is it for Oahe Downstream. Next time I'm going to hike Laframboise Island, and it absolutely changed my perspective on hiking and trails, and I have stories that I will tell for the rest of my life because of that island.